Hi everybody, it's Miss Segovia. I know you missed me, but be nice to the sub. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to do the potato core lab. Up on my desk, you're going to get the handout. That looks like this. Alright, and you're going to use these instructions as you do it. I'm going to show you some shortcuts though and illustrate how to do them because this gets a little weird. Alright, first things first, you're going to go ask your sub for a piece of potato core. The instructions say to get a whole potato and then do the coring through it, but it's easier to do it in sections. So you're going to ask your sub to cut you a section of potato core that's approximately 3 centimeters. If you don't know how big 3 centimeters are, grab the ruler. But I've been doing this for a while, so I already kind of have it figured out. So you need a section about like this, maybe about 2 sections so you have enough for this next part. Bring this back to your table, and you should have at your desk these materials, including the core. Some of you are going to have a big core, some of yours is going to be skinny, some of you won't have one at all. So you'll have to be patient till another group finishes and then steal it from them when they're not looking. Alright, so to do this, you take the core, you take your potato, and you push it all the way through. You don't want to get any skin on it. You want strictly potato goodness. So you take it, you pull it out, but it's stuck. So we put this little guy in and bloop, mini French fries. Alright, you're going to cut 4 of these bad boys. Again, you want perfect cylinders. You don't want any skin on them. If you run out of places to punch on your potato, go get another potato. I've got a 10-pound bag. You should be fine. So boop, boop, boop. You want to have for your first cup 4 potato cores, 4 little guys. You're going to take your cup, and in the instructions it tells you to label it with the sucrose molarities. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, it's all in there. So this one I'm going to do right now, 0.2 molar, 0.2 on the cup, and then because it's a big class, label it. So let's say period 2 and table 3, and then you can draw some happy face or a star, whatever you want, so you remember it's yours. Okay? So you're going to label this guy, and we're going to do a little weighing. You're going to take these cool little scales, pop the cover off if you can. I swear it's easier to do than I'm making it look right now. Oh. Sure, it would do that. Oh, hey, there's a button on the other side. So if it's not coming off, push the button. Demonstration purposes. Alright, you put that on the table. This little thing has a little slide on it. Set it on top like that and turn it on. It's going to light up all cool. Give it a second to think. Alright, and it says 0. If it doesn't say 0, you push this little button right here that says tare, T-A-R-E. You're going to put actually your cup on top, and then you're going to push the tare button. When you push that, the display goes back to 0. So now it's subtracting the mass of your cup and of the other plate on there. You're going to take your little cores, you're going to toss them in, and it's going to give you the mass. These guys weigh 3.4 grams. So you're going to go to your handy dandy data sheet. And again, if you don't understand this, read through the instructions, read, and then come to your data table. This is the initial mass of the cores. So this is my 0.2 molar. I'd put 3.4 for this one. You're going to repeat that for distilled water, which is a lie, just get tap water. 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.1, or in 1.0, sorry. So you're going to get all the data. So that's the hardest part of the lab right there. For the grand finale, you're going to take your cups and the lids, and you're going to follow me to the fume hood. And back here we have all our solutions. You'll notice that distilled water is not here because distilled water is here. Alright? Since this is 0.2, we're going to go to the beaker that says 0.2, I'm sorry, the flask. I've put little beakers out front because it's kind of hard to pour from the big flask. The instructions say exactly 100 milliliters. Don't worry about it. Just as long as the potato cores are covered. So probably about half full should be enough, unless you got the really fat potato cores and you're going to want to fill it all the way. Then you take and you put the lid on it. Great thing about the lid, oh, look at that, because I know some of you are going to drop it. All right, so they're in there nice and secure. Then we take it over here, And you're going to put this one and all your others and the whole classes onto this tray. Alright, so that's going to be where all of them go, and then on Wednesday you guys are going to get to see them again and see if they changed in mass at all. So once you're done with all this, go to the gizmo. Yes, I'm sorry, a gizmo. You'll survive. And I won't try to give you too many this year, okay? So if you have any questions, read the instructions. Trust me, they're in the instructions. Alright, thank you. Bye.